There's a common saying that goes like this: "You are what you eat." This saying is clearly underrated by the dietary habits of our society. So many poor food choices plague us because we simply don't know what's in our food products and how they affect our bodies. Perhaps one of the most common of these poor food choices are carbonated drinks known as sodas. The Food and Drug Administration reports American consumers, on average, drank just over 54 gallons of carbonated soft drinks each in 2005. That made carbonated soft drinks the most popular beverage in the U.S., almost 3 times more popular than bottled water, milk, or coffee. Soda may taste great, but because of the chemicals in them, they also have dangerous and life-altering side effects. We will be looking into what those ingredients are, the short-term effects of them, and the long-term effects of them. The ingredients in soda varies depending on the type and color of them. You can go to any grocery store, pick up a can of soda, and read the back for the ingredients that are specific to that type of soda. But we're going to cover the basics here. All sodas contain carbonated water. That's what makes them fizzy. High fructose corn syrup or another kind of sugar. That's what adds the sweet flavor. Citric acid to add tangy flavor, and it also acts as a preservative. There's also natural flavoring to make the flavors taste more natural, and sodium benzoate to act as a main preservative. Let's talk about the light-colored. In addition to all the listed ingredients, light-colored sodas like ginger ale or Fanta also contain coloring. This can be caramel coloring or a mixture of red, yellow, or blue dyes. They also contain artificial flavoring. While others, like Sprite, don't contain any artificial coloring. Dark-colored sodas, however, contain all of the ingredients so far, including the coloring, and they also contain phosphoric acid to prevent mold and bacteria from growing, caffeine, which, by the way, is an addictive substance, to make people more attentive, and they contain malic acid to balance the sweetness and act as another preservative. The short-term effects, no matter what the color of the soda, they're still short-term effects. All sodas cause dehydration. According to Food Revelation Network, caffeine is a diuretic. Diuretics promote the production of urine, causing you to urinate more frequently. When the body's cells are dehydrated, they have difficulty absorbing nutrition. Remember all the corn syrup and sugar that sodas contain? The average 12-ounce can of soda can have 39 grams of sugar. That's more than 2.5 tablespoons of sugar in one 12-ounce can. Phosphoric acid removes calcium from bones, Researchers at Taft University studied several thousand men and women, found that women who regularly drink cola-based sodas, that's 3 or more a day, had almost 4% lower bone mineral density in the hip, even though researchers controlled for calcium and vitamin D intakes. All this soda sure is putting on the weight. However, don't think diet sodas are going to help with the obesity problem. The University of Texas Health Science Center studied and found that the more diet sodas a person drinks, the higher their risk of becoming overweight. Consuming 2 or more cans a day increased waistlines by 500% greater than those who do not consume diet sodas. As bad as some of the short-term side effects sound, it only gets worse. Many of the long-term effects are irreversible. Osteoporosis, for example, is the disease that makes the density and quality of the bone decrease. According to WebMD, drinking soda is linked to osteoporosis. Want fatty liver disease? Regular sugar-sweetened beverage consumption was associated with greater risk of fatty liver disease, particularly in overweight and obese individuals. Remember all that sugar in one 12-ounce can of soda? In 2011, there was a study done in South Australia that concluded that there was a positive association between consumption of soft drinks and asthma, or COPD, among adults in South Australia. In conclusion, the effects of soda on our bodies are too great to be merely overlooked because of their addicting and flavorful contents. If we are going to take care of our bodies so that we can live longer and healthier lifestyles, we must become more aware of our bodies responding to the things that we put in them. After all, we are what we eat.